Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to have you here. In today's video we are going to talk about the importance of the self-growth affirmations. How to write your own self-growth affirmations, what are the most important types and ways to say your affirmations. We'll all get to know the answers to these questions through the article written by Phylameana Lila Desy, which was published and updated on May 24th, 2018. It was published in learnreligions.com, and Phylameana Lila Desy is a author of the Everything Guide to Reiki. She's a freelance writer, she's a holistic healing consultant, and she's an intuitive counselor as well as a energy medicine practitioner. So she is the perfect figure to empower us with her wonderful words today. So thank you to her for empowering us through this article. I will link it in the description box below if you guys want to have a look and read. I highly recommend. So she goes on by saying that everyone is on a continuous path of spiritual freedom and spiritual growth, whether we realize it or not, and this includes you. Some days we may feel stunned or on a standstill, perhaps feel as if you're spinning your wheels, getting nowhere. Each experience, the good, the bad, and the ugly, awards us with the opportunity to stretch a bit and ultimately soar to new heights. And she also goes on to say that it's really just about how you approach the ups and downs that will give rise to and deflate your momentum. So she also describes that in an ideal world, the journey to enlightenment and personal goes up, up and away, would land you in a better place. Not so fast. There are lessons and tests along the way, and no one lives a life without some struggles. Rest periods are also important, don't forget about that, because what they do is they give us time to retreat from all this chaos happening around us, and they go inwards, or they really help you to go inwards, to help you to self-reflect. They help you to look back, but not in regret, but in allowing a different perspective, because it can be extremely healing. Now, using supportive affirmations, what they do is they help you reach and they help you meet your true potential. They also give you a boost, they give you a motivation, they give you a reason for you to stay focused on your path, and you keep your momentum and your motivation and your kind of outlook soaring. So she also mentions the most important affirmation phrases, which are used as a means to keep a positive attitude. Let's have a look. So the empowerment and self-growth affirmation statements include, first of all, she lists the statement that says, no matter what obstacle comes across my path today, I overcome them with a renewed inner strength. Another beautiful affirmation is, I have a dream and live it. Another one is, I now choose a more direct path to higher awareness. Another beautiful affirmation that I also liked, and she actually includes a whole long list, but I will only choose a couple of really ones that really interested me, is it says, as I inhale deeply, I open up every cell in my body to all the good vibrations of the universe. I am full of life and full of light. Everything is right. So this affirmation is extremely powerful, because not only would it help in healing the inner wounds, healing the inner struggles, it would also help with physical ailments, physical chronic pain. It helps by really tuning into your body, really tuning into your function and your cells, and opening up to all the good vibrations that it has to offer. So another really nice one is, I found myself growing in wisdom, courage, and good health, and responding to others with compassion. This is a very powerful affirmation when it comes to dealing with the ups and downs of life, when you're really struggling to communicate with people, you're really struggling to get people to understand your perspective. And this is another way of really trying to look at it from a positive perspective and really encourage that positive energy to come through and help you with responding to others with compassion. It's really important, and really positive to think about it in that way, that you need to always have compassion when dealing with people. You never know what someone is struggling with, you never know what someone is going through, so always have compassion. Another nice one is, I am the sum total of my choices which make me who I am. We are all of us unique. I celebrate what it is that make me unique and unrepeatable. This is to really empower you with that self-care energy, and also help you with feeling responsible for your own choices, so we don't end up blaming for other people for the problems that we are in. And it helps to direct your energy and direct your focus to what you really are good at, and what are your positive kind of points, what are your positive things that you need to really focus on, rather than what is really frustrating you or disappointing you or angering you. Another really nice one is, I face today's difficulties with strength and wisdom. The troubles melt away and are replaced with inner peace and contentment. So many great positive affirmations to do with self-growth right here. Wonderful wording, and they really help to open up that scope and open up that energy to receive positive energy. And she also goes on to kind of instruct us to how to go about writing our own affirmations. And she goes on by saying that there is a certain knack to writing affirmations. We need to follow these 3 simple rules, and we will be on our way to living a more positive and fulfilling life. So first of all, she says, choose positive words. So be sure to keep your focus on the positive. The second point is no negativity allowed. Negative statements, they basically destroy or they negate the purpose of the affirmations. The affirmations, the purpose of them is to help us in reinforcing that positive words, positive statements, positive qualities. So no negativity allowed, no negative words, no don't, no I can't, no any of these words. Also, number 3, most important, is that we need to stay present. We need to keep your statements in the present. The past is the past, leave it there. Futuristic statements, they distract us from being present in the moment. So another thing that she says to end the piece and to end the article is that a statement such as I will be rich one day has the word power to keep a person in poverty, because the focus is that the richness will come later. Later never comes, as we are always living in the now. So an example of a positive prosperity affirmation that would also help with abundance would read something like this: I am rich, or today I am prosperous, or today I am abundant, or I am abundant now. So absolutely amazing. The keywords now, I am, today, really help to enforce that present tense. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you also found the scenes from our road trip through the forest nice as well. It helps to complement the self-growth affirmations. And if you've enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe in order to support us in making more better quality videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.